Hello everyone, my name is Saad. I'm certified Salesforce application architect. In this demo, I'll show you how I connected Google local service ads with Salesforce. So every new lead is captured automatically within Salesforce. Normally, Google only sends LSA leads by email or in the dashboard, which makes it difficult sometimes to track and follow up quickly. To tackle that, I have developed up the solution. So as soon as lead comes in through Google LSA, Salesforce creates a new lead record within Salesforce and we can perform operations within Salesforce. It also checks for duplicates and assign the leads to the right sales team so the work can be done in more efficient way. The benefit of this integration is it we will avoid manual data entry, faster response times, and accurate tracking of ROI from Google Ads. So let me jump into the demo straight away for better clarification. Okay, currently I'm on Salesforce side, and if I see there are currently no leads that are created today. If I refresh them up also, there are no leads. Okay, so and if I go Google Ads LSA account, so these are the leads that are coming in. Okay, and their statuses. So let me run out the background job. So what that job will does, it will search or it will query up the Google Ads LSA account and find the new leads and auto create them up within Salesforce. So let me run up the job. Okay, the background job has now executed. Now, if I refresh up the leads, okay, so now it has synced up the leads, lead ID, and all of the data. So if I go back in Google LSA, let's take one lead that is received today. So that is this one, 9066. If I open this up, and if I open, that is the same lead, 9066. Let me open that lead within Salesforce also. Okay, I have opened up that lead within Salesforce. If I see the lead ID, this is the same ID. I am syncing up most of the fields from the API that are coming. Some of them are added in the description, and some of them are added in the field straight away. So in that way, once the data is present within Salesforce, we can add up the flows, automations, emails the way we want. That is the first thing. The second thing comes in the conversations. I am also syncing up the conversations of phone calls mainly within Salesforce in a custom object of conversations. So that will basically contains all of the call information, recording links, everything within Salesforce. So that will help to, you can say, directly access everything from Salesforce basically. So let me show that up. That one more thing that has its own separate job that runs that syncs up the conversations within Salesforce. So let's suppose if a conversation exists. So let's suppose you start syncing today, and there can be a leads that doesn't exist within your Salesforce, but the conversations started today. So it will auto first sync the lead, then the conversations against that. So let me show you an example and I'll sync up the conversations. Okay, it has synced up the conversations. If I refresh this page, this is the custom object against the lead. Let me refresh up the lead page. So you'll see one conversation has been auto added. If I open this up, so here it comes, conversation ID, lead ID, the conversation type. Currently, I am seeking only phone conversation for this client, but it can be easily tackled for other conversations. Uh, the call duration, call recording link, customer ID, account ID. These are the fields that I am syncing. So For every conversation that happens, it will be synced as a new conversation within Salesforce. And there's a separate reporting section on which we can report that up. So I'm trying to show a bit of demo, but I can't show actual information because these are actual conversation and actual leads. So, but in actual, basically, you can get an idea how it is syncing currently. So whenever a new lead comes within Google LSA account, it will be auto sync to Salesforce. And if any conversation is done, that conversation is also being syncing with Salesforce. Then we can add up a reporting on that, and that will show all of the current, you can say, uh, overview of our coming leads, and we can follow up to them. If there are any questions, concerns, feel free to reach out. I will be more than happy to answer. Thank you so much.